Hello everyone. I hope everyone is keeping warm. I decided to share another video of New York City. It's snowing outside. I think the weather was really nice. I don't think it was, in my opinion, I don't think it was really cold. And seeing all the snow and all this winter, I started thinking, when was the last time that New York City really snowed like this? I think it's been a while, and I was just enjoying the view, and I was enjoying my moment, on my way to work, just relaxing. How about you guys in your area that it snowed a lot? How you guys felt? Send me some pictures. Share your moments with me, and let me know. Do you guys enjoy the winter? Do you guys enjoy the snow? Keep me posted, and I see you on the next video.